Well, we just had the 13th largest bank in the US go down. Plus, if you're a US citizen, you're not going to want to miss what Binance had to say. Now, before I begin, yesterday Heidi put out a video and people were like, oh, it's clickbait, it's FUD, blah, blah, blah. Guys, if you don't want the truth, unsubscribe, seriously, because first off, Heidi was covering what somebody with 700,000 subscribers was talking about. Now, we all make stupid mistakes and we all post dumb things sometimes on Twitter, right? But this was really irresponsible of this person. I'm not going to say his name because I'm sure he's a nice guy and we all make mistakes, but here was the tweet. These old Bitcoin addresses becoming active could really be scary. I hope it's not a wallet generator that's been cracked. This could be catastrophic. So that's why Heidi brought up the fact that this is what is happening. She was trying to quell people's fears and destroy all that FUD because it is FUD. Guys, this is going to be my 4th bull market coming up. This was my 3rd bear market, right? And this happens all the time. Big whales move their coins. That's it. It doesn't mean that wallet generators were cracked at all, okay? Let's get that clear. Bitcoin is safe and secure, but if you want to watch that video, again, watch it. That it is yesterday's video. Okay, moving on from that, okay? And there's a lot of people saying, oh, this is just a FUD channel. Well, keep in mind that we are here to save people's butts, essentially. First off, we called out Celsius 2 weeks before it collapsed. Yes, how many people did that? Not too many. Also, BlockFi 6 months before it collapsed. But the biggest one was FTX. Heidi called it out 2 weeks before that thing collapsed. Congratulations, Heidi. You're doing an amazing job. You know what, if people think this is a FUD channel, you know, we are here to help people. Anyways, here one of our subscribers today saying, thank you for sharing, Heidi. Turns out I had a wallet that fell in the dates created. If you want to watch that video, it was yesterday. All moved to cold storage now. Much appreciated. You're very welcome. You know what? We're here to tell the truth. We don't get paid sponsorships at all. We're doing this out of our own goodwill. All right, next up, if you want to join us on our CT Club, we've been killing it. We've been buying Bitcoin when people were fudding the crap out of Bitcoin, saying, oh, it's going to go to 10,000, it's going to go to 12,000, it's going to go to 14,000. No, we were buying, and you know that we were buying. I've been very vocal about that. He said, my friend just said, INJ, which is one of our top 10 holdings now. My friend said, INJ just boomed. I loaded up more at $6.55. Good job, Tubbs. Thanks, Adam. You know who you are. Anyways, moving on. Let's get into some important news. All right, Bitcoin is down about 11% from its recent highs like 12 days ago. Meanwhile, crypto Twitter feels like it suffered 90% casualties in the same amount of time. This is coming from Kaleo. Absolutely, I totally agree with that. Moving on to Binance. If you are a US citizen, you better frickin' listen here. Binance US has made it the difficult decision to exercise its right to terminate the asset purchase agreement with Voyager.
Wow.
Yep, Heidi hasn't even heard of that. Yeah. While our hope throughout this process was to help Voyager's customers access their crypto in kind, the hostile and uncertain regulatory climate in the United States has introduced an unpredictable operating environment impacting the entire American business community. We are focused on creating a safe platform where customers can participate in the digital asset economy. Man, every time I bring up this for 2 years now, that talent and innovation is going to leave the US, and it's only a matter of time till these people just get fed up. Well, it looks like Binance is getting fed up with the United States. So is Coinbase. And they're threatening, they are making preparations to leave. Now, How do I know this? Well, I can see them planting bases all around the world. And there's a reason for that. If you've been living under a rock, then you probably wouldn't know this. But I've been telling you this time and time again, and we are one of the only YouTube channels out there that have been telling people this time after time again, and we're not shutting up, guys. So if you are a US citizen and you still want to deal with crypto, you still like crypto, my suggestion is that you get onto wallets, decentralized exchanges, and DeFi, okay? These are the things that you need to be learning right now. Okay, next we have First Republic Bank, right? Expected to be seized by US government. This is according to Fox News. Okay, the US bank, this is from Odell. The US banking system is so effed that the 13th largest bank is about to go under, and nobody is surprised. First Republic had $200 billion in deposits in the fall. Now they are worthless. Wow, that's pretty gnarly. If you want to know another nail in the coffin here in regards to the US, this is from Dylan LeClaire. You cut the world's third largest energy producer off from SWIFT and freeze their FX reserves, and this is what you get. Major ASIC producers are seeing bigger sales volume in Russia than the US right now. He also goes on, if the Bitcoin proponents are directionally correct, this is the Sputnik moment of our time. And so you're going to see the entire rest of the globe taking over the crypto space. That's essentially what you're going to have. That is why we're encouraging people to hop on DeFi, get your own wallets, learn how to use decentralized exchanges. That's all I have today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.